This video is going to describe how to remove the operating sashes from an Interstate 6800 2 and 3 light sliding window. The first part of the process is to unlock the dual locks and slide the operating sash to the center of the opening. Remove the anti-lift device that's over the sash. Set it to the side. Bring the sash to the center and lift into the head, swinging out the bottom of the sash. You can place that on the side and proceed to do the same process on the second operating sash. Up in the head, you'll remove the anti-lift device, put it to the side, grab the sash to the center of the opening and do the same process, lift and swing in. At this point, you could reverse the process, put the anti-lift back into the head of the window, slide the sash to the left, and proceed to replace the inboard sash into the master frame. Place the top of the sash in the head of the opening, lift up and swing it back into the opening, place it to the left, and replace the anti-lift device in the top above the sash. Close the sash at this point and lock the windows.